So for this one, we're trying to find sine, cosine, and tangent using the half angle identities. So that's why we got them up here. So let's start first with sine of a over 2. And by the way, we got a 5, 12, 13, because this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, 13. If you don't have that memorized, you can do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals what? And it would be 169. Square root of that is 13. Okay, so what is sine of a over 2? And by the way, every single one of these should be positive, okay? Because we're taking an angle in a triangle, we're dividing it by 2. That's quadrant 1, right? So all of these should give us positive values. Now, this would be, sine would give us, we'll start with square root of 1 minus cosine of a over 2. Okay, and what is cosine of a? Adjacent over hypotenuse, that's 5 over 13. So we got rad 1 minus 5 over 13 over 2. 1 minus 5 thirteenths is actually 8 thirteenths, and then that divided by 2 is like multiplying this by 1/2. So it really becomes 4 over 13. And this simplifies to 2 over rad 13, because square root of 4 is 2. And then to rationalize the denominator, multiply by rad 13 over rad 13, we get 2 rad 13 over 13, because rad 13 times itself is just 13. So there is this part. Now we get cosine of a over 2. It's the same thing, except for instead of the minus, it's plus. So we can jump straight in to this point, and we say it's 1 plus 5 over 13 divided by 2. 1 can be written as 13 over 13. That's 18 over 13 divided by 2, okay? And then 18 over 13 divided by 2 is like multiplying this by 1/2, so it becomes 9 over 13. Square root of all of it, right? Square root of 9 on top is 3. That stays as a square root in the bottom. Then to rationalize the denominator, multiply like this, and we get 3 rad 13 over 13. Okay, so that's this cosine of a over 2. Last but not least, we need to do tangent of a over 2. So that's sine of a over 1 plus cosine of a, where sine of a is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13 over 1 plus cosine of a, which we already figured out here. 1 plus cosine of a was 18 over 13. So we got 12 over 13 times the reciprocal of the denominator. To simplify, 12 over 13 times 13 over 18, cancel, cancel. We get 12 over 18, which simplifies to 2/3. So the last one is 2/3, boom, done.